How to delete playlists in Spotify. Let's see over here. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So once you are in the home page of Spotify, you will be able to see the various songs according to your interests. So in order to delete a certain playlist on Spotify, you need to first go to your playlist or the section. For that, you have to tap on your library option at the right lower button right next to premium. So here are all of your playlists. Simply look for the playlist that you want to delete. Once you fix that you want to delete the certain playlist, you have to press and hold the playlist and you'll be able to see delete playlist option. You can simply tap on there and it will be deleted. But there is also another way to delete playlist. For that, you have to open up the playlist and you'll be able to see the three dotted vertical line in the left hand side. Simply tap over there and you can see the delete playlist option over here. Simply tap over there and the playlist will be deleted. So this is how you delete playlists in Spotify. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.